Good morning guys! Another back vlogs this February. Umuwi kami because maraming ganap. One of them is Hermes JS Prom. So of course, mommy duty. This is the day before that.
Hi guys, this is Jessie Kids. Welcome to my channel, and I'm inviting you to see the view from my window.
Good morning guys! Started the day in going to the mall next to us. Girl bonding day today guys. Well, I'm with my munchkin, Jaja and Mia. We wanted to buy something sa mall. But we saw this place, o diba? Ang cute ng place. We wanted to try it out. So, ayan ang itsura ng aming tinry. As you can see guys, freshly baked. Maghintay ka ng 15 minutes. Parang siyang, it's a pastry. It's like a croissant. And then they put something inside. Mamimili kayo kung anong gusto nyo. So we choose pistachio, kunafa, something like that. So ayan, gagawin nila yan dyan sa harapan mo. It's called crozet. So yun, ganun. So just try it kung worth it ba or something. It's masarap naman siya, pero para sa amin, well, it's a bit of pricey siya. Kasi makikita nyo guys later on kung gaano siya kalaki. Ayan, nakikita nyo naman habang niluluto sila. Parang gagawin niya na parang style cinnamon yan. So, it's me, my legs, and ayun yung binili namin. And ayan ang itsura niya guys. O, nasa loob. Para may palaman siya sa loob.
Ganyan lang?
And
Ano,
we are
masarap?
trying it out.
6 hours later, a few moments later.
Well, next appointment namin ni Mia is punta kila Tita Melai's crib. O, ayan. Mia's bonding with her cousins. O, ayan kami. Sinundo kami ni Tita Ria. And nandeng sa house para pumunta sa kay Tita Melai's crib. Malapit lang sa amin. Ayan kami. Nagbonding, nagtsikahan. At nanggulo sa house ni Tita Melay. Ayan. Check it out. This is what we did.
One eternity later. A few moments later.
And lastly, our last appointment of the day. Ayan, umuwi kami sabay just to pick up. Sino pa? Si Princess. O, diba? Munchkin Memes. Because she wanted to buy daw a new shoes for her JS prom. O, ayan. So, syempre, pumunta kami sa Landmark. Gabi na yan, guys. And then, nag-tried it out siya ng iba-ibang klaseng shoes. Of course, with her assistant, Mia. O, diba? Ayan kami. Well, after nyan, she said, Mommy, I'm hungry. She wanted to eat steak daw. So, she said she knew a place in Juan Ayala. But ayan, nagkaligaw-ligaw pa kami. But eventually, we arrive in our destination. Steak pala nila is very nice. Nanalo pa ako dyan, guys, ng raffle. But I could not go because I'm already flying back to Dubai. Ayan kami. This is our girl bonding. Ito ang girls day out ni mommy. O, diba? All in one day. Let's check it out. Let's see the food. That's the place. Oh, yan. O, diba? We settled in. Let's see the food.
Ano lang ate? Yung kinakainan natin sa Century?
Disclaimer guys, all of those na kinainan namin, we spend it all with our own money. So this is also our own opinion. Depende na rin yan sa inyo, but you have to try it out. Kung kakita nyo masarap, try it out. And kayo na yung mag-judge. Yun lang. Ayan, o, diba? Kulitan nilang dalawang magkapatid. Well, the food, the steak is nice, pero kasi limited lang siya, guys, yung mga pagkain, yung variety. It's a steak, and then there's like a burger and something else. Pero for us, it's okay kasi nag-enjoy naman si Meme sa kanyang steak. So, if you want to try it out, this is in One Ayala. Ayan. And yun na nga. Ayan, sa akin, I order, it's like a chicken burger or something. Yan. Anyways, guys, yun na nga sinasabi ko. This is a girl bonding day with me, o diba, with the girls. Super fast lang. Kasi nga, I have limited time sa Manila. Pero, time with my munchkins and with my sisterette is always worth it. O, diba? Yun lang. Always have a good bonding with your families and with your loved ones. Diba? Because that is a memory to keep. And with that, I will close this vlog. This is our Girls' Day Out. Yun lang. Have a great day. And always be a blessing to others. Kain tayo ulit! And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can follow me and let's be friends. In all my social media, it's all Jessie Cats. Yun lang, guys. Have a great day and see you on the next vlog.
It's a wrap for you, baby.